Welcome to Doggo TV. If you want your pup to live a long, healthy, and happy life, then providing a balanced and nutritious diet is key. Today, we're going to share some amazing homemade dog food recipes that are not only healthy, but also easy to make at home. You might be wondering why homemade dog food is beneficial. Many commercial dog foods contain artificial additives, fillers, and preservatives that can sometimes negatively impact your dog's health. By preparing homemade dog food, you can control the ingredients, ensure your dog is getting the right nutrients, and add that extra touch of love. So before we dive into the recipes, here are some essential guidelines to keep in mind. When making homemade meals, always include a good protein source like chicken, beef, turkey, or fish. Healthy carbohydrates such as brown rice, oatmeal, or sweet potatoes, and a variety of dog-safe vegetables for added vitamins and minerals. Don't forget healthy fats like olive oil or coconut oil, which are great for your dog's coat and energy levels. Be cautious about certain foods that are toxic to dogs, like onions, garlic, grapes, and chocolate. It's important to research thoroughly and consult with your vet before making any significant dietary changes for your pup. Now that we've covered the basics, let's get started with the recipes. First up is our classic chicken and rice delight, perfect for dogs with sensitive stomachs or picky eaters. This easy-to-digest meal is a favorite among dogs and their owners alike. You'll need 1 cup of cooked white or brown rice, 1 cup of cooked shredded chicken breast, 1/2 cup of finely chopped carrots, 1/2 cup of peas, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Start by cooking the rice according to package instructions. In a large pot, combine the shredded chicken, cooked rice, chopped carrots, and peas. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and mix thoroughly. Let it simmer for about 10 minutes until the carrots are soft and all the ingredients are well combined. Let it cool completely before serving. This meal is packed with lean protein and essential vitamins, making it an ideal choice for dogs of all breeds. And it's especially good for those recovering from illness or who need a gentle meal. You can even prepare a larger batch and refrigerate it for up to 5 days, making mealtime quick and convenient. Now let's move on to a more hearty option, our beef and sweet potato stew. This nutritious recipe is great for active dogs that need a little extra energy boost. For this, you'll need 1 pound of lean ground beef, 1 large sweet potato peeled and cubed, 1/2 cup of diced green beans, 1/2 cup of diced carrots, and 2 cups of water. Start by browning the lean ground beef in a pan until fully cooked. Drain off any excess fat to keep it lean and healthy. In a separate pot, add the cubed sweet potatoes, green beans, carrots, and 2 cups of water. Bring it to a boil. Then add the cooked beef. Reduce the heat and let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes until the sweet potatoes are tender and the flavors have blended together. Sweet potatoes are a fantastic source of dietary fiber and beta-carotene, which support healthy digestion and immune function, while beef provides the protein and iron your dog needs for strong muscles. Serve it warm or store it in the fridge for up to 5 days. Remember to let it cool before serving, as hot food can burn your dog's mouth. For a recipe that's perfect for dogs who need a little boost in omega-3 fatty acids, we have the fish and veggie medley. You'll need 2 fish fillets, like salmon or whitefish, 1 cup of cooked quinoa, 1/2 cup of chopped broccoli, 1/2 cup of grated zucchini, and 1/2 cup of grated carrots. Start by baking the fish fillets at 350 175 degrees for 15 minutes, or until fully cooked. Flake the fish into small pieces, making sure to remove any bones. In a bowl, combine the cooked quinoa, chopped broccoli, grated zucchini, and carrots. Add the flaked fish and mix well. This recipe is rich in omega-3s, which are great for your dog's skin, coat, and joint health. A small spoonful of plain yogurt on top adds probiotics, supporting your dog's digestive system. Make sure to cool the mixture before serving it to your dog, and store any leftovers in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 3 days. Last but not least, we have the turkey and pumpkin dinner, an excellent meal for dogs with digestive issues. You'll need 1 pound of ground turkey, 1 cup of pure pumpkin puree, no added sugar, 1/2 cup of chopped spinach, 1/2 cup of cooked oatmeal, and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Cook the ground turkey in a pan until browned. Add the pure pumpkin puree and chopped spinach, cooking until the spinach is wilted. Stir in the cooked oatmeal and a tablespoon of coconut oil for some healthy fats. Allow the mixture to cool before serving. Pumpkin is known for its soothing properties and can help regulate your dog's digestive system, while turkey is a lean protein source that won't upset sensitive stomachs. This meal is not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that will keep your dog feeling full and satisfied. When feeding homemade dog food, portion sizes depend on your dog's size, breed, and activity level. Generally, aim for around 2 to 3% of your dog's body weight per day, split into 2 meals. For example, if you have a 50-pound dog, you should be feeding around 1 to 1.5 pounds of food daily, divided into breakfast and dinner. It's also important to balance these recipes with a supplement that provides calcium, vitamin D, and other necessary nutrients. Always consult with your veterinarian to ensure your dog's diet meets their specific needs, especially if your dog has any medical conditions or unique dietary requirements. By cooking for your dog, you're not just providing them with a meal, but you're also giving them love, attention, and care. These homemade recipes are a great way to ensure your furry companion stays healthy, happy, and full of energy. Experiment with these recipes, adjust them based on your dog's preferences, and watch them enjoy every bite. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more dog-friendly recipes and tips. Let us know in the comments if you tried any of these recipes or if you have a favorite homemade meal you'd like to share. See you in the next video, and happy cooking for your pup.